Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your POCO M7. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So the charger definitely needs to be original. If you're not using the original charger, then make sure that it's at least compatible and check for any damage near the cables, for an example. So this is not an original charger. Now whenever I plug it in, as you guys can see, let me show you what happens. We got the quick charging, it's not the fast charging, so the original ones work the best, and everybody can confirm this. So we want to make sure that we use the original charger. Now we want to, of course, clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. Even if we use the original charger, then we need to clean our charging port, because what if there's dust inside of it, and that's what's blocking our connection from quick charging to ultra charging from the POCO. Next, what you want to do after cleaning the port, we want to make sure that the fast charging is enabled in the settings. So we need to go to the settings. Now scroll down until you see battery, and in the battery you guys go over to, sorry, not the additional features, but the charging options. Here we need to make sure that our wired charging mode is set to speed up. So this is our quick charging. Now device might heat up, but we already knew that. And after that, what you guys want to do is try and test another fast charger to see if it works. If not, then stick to the original one or order another one if the original one is broken. As a last resort, if everything is okay with your charger, your outlet, your cable and everything, you need to go over to About Phone and check for software updates. Maybe it's just a software glitch, so if you go over here and check, I do not have any updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you guys do them. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.